I've got 3 kids who play soccer, so I spend a lot of time sitting in stadiums or in chairs watching awesome soccer games. But it does take a strain on my back and my backside. So I'm going to make something that's going to make sitting so much more comfortable. I'm using Nufoam from Fairfield World to make my own stadium seat. I know there's lots of stadium seats out there, but they really aren't cushiony enough and they're just not cute. So this way I can use my own fabric and make a fun and comfy chair that works for me. To give my stadium seat some structure, I'm using corrugated plastic. You can find this at a home improvement store. This is what they make campaign signs out of and business signs. So you could even recycle some old signs. I do that all the time. This one I did buy. Now the way I'm going to cut this plastic, originally I cut it down to size so that it would fit my chair. And when I did that, I cut all the way through. Now to make the backing, I'm only going to cut through the first layer of the plastic. So to do that, I'm using a ruler. I've already marked my lines. And by gently just cutting through that first layer, now I can fold the plastic on that line. See how it's cut through here, but it didn't cut through there. So there's my first fold. So it's kind of looking like a C, right? But we want this to fold all the way down and we need to make room for that cushion. So I'm going to make one more cut. Kind of looks like a giant binder. That's going to do. And I can fold it shut to carry it. I will be gluing the foam to that corrugated plastic to hold it in place, but before that, we're going to be measuring and cutting our fabric that covers it. Now keep in mind that the new foam that I'm using is a rectangle. It's 15 by 17. Because I'm short, I'm going this way and using it wide, but it's shorter. If you're a taller person, you might want to make the back of your stadium seat so that the 17 inches is the top part and you get more height. As I was getting ready to glue this, I realized that I needed to make one more cut here. So this bottom pad, I'm going to hot glue it here, and then I'm going to hot glue this edge onto it like so. And this top pad is going to go above that fold so that when this folds down, it's flush. See on this side, there's like the 2 sections to match the cushions. And then I'll be able to open up my seat like so and fold it back down again. As you can see, I have now hot glued the Nufoam onto the plastic board. So it's glued here. This is what the seat looks like open. This is what it's going to be like when it's folded down. I have made the covers. I am now going to slide on the top and the bottom, and then we can sew the 2 pieces together. So next, I'm going to pin this together and hand sew it so that this is closed and that's closed. And then these will be used to make sure the chair doesn't flip backwards. Let's pretend this is a stadium seat. As you can see, I can carry it with my straps, put it in here, set it up. If I need to, I can untie these and tie them onto the chair if for some reason I'm worried about it sliding out of place. And then sit down and enjoy the game.